Today I'm going to be doing vent repair with mangle. This is gonna be my first time, and yeah, but first I gotta eat. I just gotta eat before I do it. Yum! Girl! Okay, let's just start. Okay. Help wanted, okay. This will be, okay, I don't really want to read the directions, so that'll be lame. But yeah, let's start. Oh, okay, here we are. We're in the vent. This place is cool, really cool. Yeah, I think I should push the button. Okay, oh, another button. I can hear you words. I don't really care. I'm gonna push the button. Whoa! It's scary. Oh my gosh, it just got scarier. I'll just push this. Okay. That's scary. No! Okay. I'll just look that. Okay, that door's closing. Oh, wait, what? Oh, I guess I'll turn that. What else? Oh, right here. I'm a bit scared. Oh, up here. I'll flick that. Where is she? She's scaring me. Hello? Mangle? Oh. Red, blue, orange, green. Red, blue, orange, green. Okay. Okay, that scared me. Time to do it again. Red, orange, blue. Oh, okay. I did not see that. Okay. What? Did I do it? I think I did it. Yeah! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, that was just completely weird, but yeah. Perfect. Okay. So we just beated that, or did it? Oh, game one. Okay, windy, windy. Yeah! L chips! Oh, I want to eat it. Okay, I'm gonna, no! Oh, it's right here, okay. Come on, time to eat it, L chips, here we go. Oh, man, what? Come on. Okay, no, whatever. That's just a shame that I don't get to eat L chips, food. But, yeah, let's see. There's like another one, but, you're scary. You're scary. Okay, so I'm gonna do ennard vent pair, not revent pair. But yeah, we're gonna do that one. I don't know, but it's kind of scary, very scary. Oh, come on. Okay, we're loading in. Ooh, oh, it's like FNAF 1 kind of. That's cool. I guess I'll push the button. Here's another one. Oh, what just happened? Ooh. Oh, ooh, that sounds good, but it was like only for 2 seconds. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. Let's see, that one goes right there. That one goes right there. That one goes right there. Okay, come on. Yeah! Oh, yeah. Yeah, close. Oh, it's even harder. Okay, so that one goes right there. Okay, let's go. Right there. Yes! Yeah! Okay, so now what am I waiting for? I think there we go. Whoa, you're scaring me. I don't like that. I need you to stop, please. So I guess I do that. That goes all the way. Oh, right there. Yes! Stop it, ennard, you're distracting me. You got close, but I did it. Sucks to be you. Okay, am I going down? Or what? Oh, yay! Let's go. Why is it all rusty? I don't really care. Oh, I sliced my hand off. This is taking actually forever. Come on. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. So this is new. Oh, I can put that right there. Okay, nice. Nice. Got a coin. And then I found this. I'm going to put you right there. What the, okay, that scared me. But, what do I do? Leave. Is that him? Okay. What do I do? If you don't stop it, I'm gonna whip you apart. Does it go here? No? Wait, oh. Okay. But what? It's like... Okay, wait. You gonna keep staying there or what?